What's up guys, and here we go! The one for the fans, the Galaxy S22 FE is set to come with something that we did not expect, something that ends the debate of Exynos and Qualcomm issue. As we know, the Galaxy S22 series is good for the most part, but the long issue still remains the difference between the Exynos and Qualcomm variants. But now we finally have another player in the game, and that is Mediatek. According to the new rumor coming from China, the Galaxy S22 FE is rumored to come with the Mediatek Dimensity 9000 processor. This is history in the making because we have never seen a Mediatek chip on a Samsung flagship phone. Before you say anything, the Dimensity 9000 is actually more powerful than the Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It's actually the most powerful Android chip right now, and its performance is very close to Apple A15. This means that the Galaxy S22 FE could be more powerful than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, as for the other specs, the S22 FE is going to be mostly similar to the Galaxy S22, but with a plastic back. We'll see more colors, possibly a bigger battery, 4 years of major OS updates with a price tag of $699 or $599. If Samsung makes sure that the S22 FE launches on time, then it can actually cause a lot of issues for other competitors like the upcoming Pixel 7 series. Let me know what you think about the S22 FE in the comment section below. Now, speaking of the chips, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus is in the making. Apparently, Qualcomm wants TSMC to start the production of this new chip as soon as possible so they can replace the 8 Gen 1 for the second half of 2022 flagship phones, meaning possibly we could see this new chip inside the Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4. Now, the long-awaited software update from Samsung is finally rolling out. The One UI 4.1 officially comes to older Samsung flagship phones like the Galaxy S21 series, the Z Fold 3, to mid-range phones like the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72. With this update, Samsung fixes the biggest issue, which is the game optimization service. You can finally turn this option off to get the maximum performance you deserve. Now, Samsung is also bringing some camera features from the S22 series to the older flagships with this One UI 4.1 update. Features like night portrait functions, telephoto portrait video, and even Snapchat integration for the Galaxy S21 series. Of course, not every older flagship phone is getting all these features, so here you can see exactly which feature is being distributed to which flagship. The Snapchat integration is exclusively happening for the S21 series. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts on the S22 FE. Do you think that the S22 FE has the potential to become the phone of the year if done right, and of course if being released on time? Let me know everything in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.